Good day to each and everyone. So for this video, I'm going to recite selected 30 terminologies in forest pathology. Servolus, a mat of hyphae giving rise to short conidiophores closely packed together forming a bed of like mass. Aflatoxin is a poisonous substance produced by Aspergillus species in cereals which is carcinogenic to human beings. Agar, a solidifying agent used in laboratory culture media for bacteria, fungi, and tissue cultures. Allelopathy, a biochemical inhibition between plants caused by the release of various poisonous substances. Alternate host, a host among the two species upon which parasitic fungus must develop to complete its life cycle. Aphrixis bacteria. It is a group of bacteria that possesses one or more than flagella located at each end of the cell. Antagonistic symbiosis, an interaction between symbiont with when one has a harmful effect on the other. Arachnos, a plant disease caused by fungi characterized by limited necrotic lesions on stems, leaves, or fruits, and it is often accompanied by dieback. Antibiotic, it is a natural substance that retards or prevents the growth of an organism. Antibody, it is a protein molecule formed within the body of organism to neutralize the effect of antigen. Basidium, it is a club-like structure bearing on the surface typically for basidiospores. A haploid spores formed within a basidium following sexual fusion and meiosis. Blast, it is a term applied to sudden death of young and unopened buds, inflorescence, or young fruits. Blight is a rapid death of the whole organs or parts of the leaves, including veins. Bioch, it is a dark mycelium appearing on the surface of infected materials. Callus, it is an overgrowth of tissue formed in response to an injury and of the plant to heal its wound. Canker, it is a restricted necrosis of bark and cortical tissue of stem or roots. Chemotherapy, a combination of chemical treatments and application of a certain control measures, and it is aimed in reducing severity of the diseases such as heat treatment. Chilling injury, it is an injury caused by low temperature above freezing point which exhibits a petaled appearance. Chlorosis, it is a symptoms characterized by yellowing of leaves due to the halting or chlorophyll production or partial repression of colors. Normally green tissues turn yellow. Dumping of disease, it is a disease that results in the rapid decay of young succulent seedlings or by the sudden rotting of seedlings due to the extensive necrosis of the stem near the soil line. Decay, a disease condition where it is disintegration of elements in woods caused by fungi. Defoliation, a falling of leaves on the stem due to excessive high temperature with severe dry winds. Deterioration, the physical and chemical destruction of inanimate plant parts by chemical, physical or living agents. Diagnosis, the identification of specific plant diseases through their characteristic symptoms and signs, including factors that may be related to the disease process. Epidemiology, the study of the phenomena of epidemics. Apenasty, a curvature of a part of a leaf produced by growth more rapid on its upper portion than its underside. Eradication, eradication is a measure that intends to eliminate, inhibit or to kill the pathogens that have become established within the trees or a given areas. Etiolation, etiolation is a hypoplastic symptom characterized by the yellowing of leaves of normally green tissues caused by inadequate light and light quality. Etiology, the science of cause of causal factors involved directly or indirectly in the initiation and development of a disease.